the Kamal Hassan group taking to the court seeking some relief after Karnataka said that it will not allow the release of the film. With that, let's shift our attention now. The Dakshina Kannada District Police have registered a case against RSS functionary Kalladka Prabhakar Bhatt for allegedly making provocative statements during a condolence meeting in Bantwal. The meeting, held following the murder of Suhas Shetty in Mangaluru, saw Bhatt addressing a crowd of around 500 people. Authorities say his remarks could disturb communal harmony and potentially incite violence, prompting them to take legal action. The BJP has come out in full support, with leaders warning of potential unrest, saying that if Kalladka Prabhakar Bhatt is touched or if any action is taken against him, there will be riots. In fact, they've also called the case against him baseless, describing Bhatt as a guiding light for the Hindu community in the region, stating that the community will not remain silent.
ಇವತ್ತು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ಹಿಂದೂ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಜರಂಗ ದಳ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಿಂದೂ ಜಾಗರಣ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇವೆ. ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕವಾಗಿ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ, ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇವೆ. ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಭಟ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಡೀ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಮಾಜ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ತನ್ನ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಹಿರಿಯರು. ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾವರ್ಧಕ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ 16 ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು
BJP leader saying that he is a leader of the Hindu community and any action against him will not be tolerated.
ಇವತ್ತು ಬಾಕಿಯವರಿಗೂ ಅವರು ಆದರ್ಶಪ್ರಾಯ. ಅಂಥವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆ ವಿನಾಕಾರಣ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಬಂಧಿಸಿದರೆ
the police has taken action against him and filed an FIR against him without any basis whatsoever.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೊಸ ಇದು 100ಕ್ಕೆ 100 ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಭಟ್ರ ಮೈ ಮುಟ್ತದ ಆಗ ಇಡೀ ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಮಾಜ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
So the BJP leader saying that there will be action if Kalladka Prabhakar Bhatt is any action is taken against him by the police officials, saying the entire Hindu community in the region will unite if action is taken against him.
ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆಯ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಉಗ್ರ ಸ್ವರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಸಜ್ಜಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು
massive protests, that's what the BJP has warned. My colleague Imran is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Imran, Kalladka Prabhakar Bhatt is a RSS heavyweight from the coastal region, and now a case has been registered against him. The BJP has said that there will be strict action that will be taken, or strong action that will be taken with a mass movement that will be taken if any action is taken against Kalladka Prabhakar Bhatt. Take us through the details of what is the case that has been filed against him and the response from the BJP.
Well, yes, after this murder of Abdul Rahiman in Mangalore and Suhas Shetty, Bajrang Dal leader plus Rowdy Sheeter, there has been very, very big turning in the Dakshin Kannada district, which is known as a hotbed of Hindutva. Now, there has been a series of resignations from the Congress party, especially from the Muslim community, over this mishandling of the situation. So after that, the Chief Minister convened a special meeting, a special task force for anti-communal task force has been created. And after that, they have been taking series of action. One was a demand of the protesters was to book cases against people who are making inflammatory speeches, and based on that, Kalladka Prabhakar and few other BJP RSS leaders have been booked by the Dakshin Kannada police. Yesterday, a group of 15 Hindu organizations also met the DGP, saying that the action is one-sided. Meanwhile, there was area domination exercise conducted by the police. The commissioner and SP of the districts have also been changed by the Congress government here, and also they have externed more than 35 people who they feel are troublemakers, 15 from the belonging to the SDPI and also 21 from the right-wing Hindu organizations. So these are the measures which have taken by the district administration. However, the booking of a case against Kalladka Prabhakar has incensed the whole right-wing community there in Mangaluru. They're saying that if any action is taken against him, the district will burn. That is a drive warning was given by the Matandur. He's a former BJP MLA.
Okay, so the words that have been used by the BJP leaders in the coastal region are absolutely unacceptable, as they say that if any action is taken, then there will be violence on the streets. That's one of the statements that has been made by the BJP leaders. But Imran, the coastal region of Karnataka has been communally sensitive. What we have seen in the recent past is also that there have been multiple murders communally sensitive area, already on the edge at a time like that. Case being registered. Any details of the legal action being taken? Sources saying that there could also be an indication from the RSS that they could approach court against any action being taken against Kaladka Prabhakar Bhatt.
Well, absolutely. In fact, they plan to take up all legal action. In fact, the district association met the DGP yesterday, and also today a delegation of the Congress is going, including MLC and senior leader of the Congress party, Salim Ahmed, MLA N.A. Harris, and also other people in the delegation comprising of both Hindu, Muslim, and Christian, who are going to the Dakshin Kannada to ensure that the situation doesn't go out of hand. A special team has also been, anti-communal task force has been formed. There was an area domination exercise. There has been the speculation that Kaladka Prabhakar might be called for questioning, and if that happens, many of the workers of the right wing have put out videos on social media saying that there could be violence on the street if he's touched. He's considered someone as the tallest figure of the RSS, someone who's considered as the someone who's what we call the overall arch of the RSS there in Dakshin Kannada. So a lot of people have entire district owes a lot of tribute to him, and he runs a lot of several educational organizations.
Okay.
But as far as the cops are concerned, his speech, and particularly which caused they consider as the communally provocative speech, based on which an FIR has been registered against him.
Okay, all right, Imran. Developing story, a lot more reactions expected, and we'll continue coming back to you for those details. For now, quick break. We'll be right back.